Starbucks with a view. We just got done with our Starbucks. And so now we're heading over to Jingle Cruise, because it's only like a 30-minute wait. So that was pretty good. So we're heading over there now. The wait times are not bad at all right now. We really didn't plan on riding a bunch of rides. We really just came to look at decorations and stop and eat. Today we were only going to stay here a few hours, but since the wait times are pretty good, we're going to try to go ride some of the rides while the wait times are good. The Jungle Cruise currently has a holiday overlay, making it the Jingle Cruise.
Yeah.
We're ready for the holiday decorations.
The presents.
What's all in there?
I'm stealing their presents.
Presents, decorations,
trees.
Update, still in line. It's longer than 30 minutes.
Attention holiday shoppers, this sale will drive you bananas! They're going ape for the deals! It's a blowout for Silverback Productions. So embarrassing. It's not the North Pole! Yeah! What a... Yeah, it's a true Boxing Day miracle.
So the wait time for Pirates says 20 minutes, but the line is outside, out the door. And so in my professional opinion, that would be a lot longer than 20 minutes. So now it says 35 minutes for Tiana's Bayou, so we're gonna head over there and see actually what that line looks like. Then I want to make an ornament, grab something to eat before we head back to the hotel.
We're almost there, almost there. Didn't come down anywhere, but we're almost there. We're on the Tiana ride and we're almost there. We got showered.
I don't know if it was the best idea to ride Tiana's today.
The front row gets all the showers.
We were front and second row, so we did get soaked.
Me, Emily, and Issa were in the front, and we got soaked.
We stopped by Tiana's gift shop and picked up some hot sauce because we've got it before, and it's actually really good. So we were out. So if you like hot sauce, go by and pick up some from Tiana's gift shop.
Rapunzel City, and that's
Yes, prettiest bathroom in Disney. We gotta come across here and then you can see it through the trees. Yeah. Okay. So the crab salad is really good. It has a lot of celery. Fix that. It's good. It has a lot of celery. The bun is like toasted, so that's good. And the crab salad is really cold, which is really good, especially during the summer day. But it does have a lot of celery. And next time I didn't know it had lettuce on the bottom, so I'd probably say no lettuce. But if it didn't have the lettuce, I think it would be really, to my opinion, it would be better. And then we got the truffle fries, which I've had before, and they're always good. They give a little something extra to the Disney fries that you end up eating every single day that you're here. Yeah, definitely order this lobster roll without lettuce.
Yeah. The fish is good, isn't it? So is the rice.
Is it crispy on the outside and fluffy on the inside?
This is the fish.
Yeah.
You can tell the smooth ones is the fish. The crumbly ones is the chicken.
I'm back. with mine. Looking like a drowned rat. Okay. Brown and gingerbread cake. It's good. It's really light. Like the flavors are really light. Ignore.
I wish I could try it, but I can't because I don't
It's really good. It's cream in the middle, and then the spices are super light, like not overpowering. I like it. You like it? Yeah.
I actually tasted it. It was good. Thank you.
You're welcome. So the viral tip back in the day used to be to come upstairs to sit at Columbia Harbor House. But I think because of social media, everyone has now caught on to that. So it was pretty busy up there. Just as busy as downstairs now, it seems like. Those of you that know me and have been to Disney with me know I'm not leaving Magic Kingdom until we ride People Mover, whether you want to or not. It's non-negotiable every single time, maybe multiple times. After we get off of People Mover, we're gonna go and I want one of those little crystal Christmas trees, and you pick out the little ornaments. So we'll go do that. We'll really get a cute little souvenir for the Christmas season.
Gracias. Please step carefully onto the main platform, then step into the car. For your safety, remain seated at all times, keeping hands, arms,
Y'all like going backwards?
legs, and other appendages inside your car. And please
Good,
supervise
because
your
I do not.
means. Stay clear of the doors, which will open and close.
Walt Disney's amazing dream for a community of tomorrow. Did you know Progress City inspired Epcot? And
we have added a stop in our itinerary, so now we are on the hunt. We're leaving Tomorrowland, headed back across to Adventureland to find a Dole Whip. Ella had to go check to see if Greg was going to share his Dole Whip. Standing in line.
Is it the special holiday one or the?
No, I think he wants the regular. No, he gets the Dole Whip Vanilla Swirl. I think is his favorite. You sharing?
yeah,
It's the best Dole Whip.
What did you get? Oh, just both of them with swirl.
yeah.
Best
Cut some of the tartness. Yeah. His face of disappointment.
Yeah.
He got the orange Dole Whip instead of pineapple. He wanted pineapple. Somehow left him alone up there for one time to go order the Dole Whip. He comes back with orange.
Got the order names, Mom. Pick one, anyone.
Be very careful. All sorts of characters here. I'm gonna let the kids pick out one of each.
All of these are villains.
Are they? Makes sense if you're making a Halloween tree. A villain's tree. That makes sense. Right there. All right. We have made our picks. Go check out. It was, as I seen earlier, $69. I'm gonna see if they have an annual pass discount. That's just what y'all need. Sure. Yummy.
These are kind of like,
M&M treats.
yeah.
Says that they're Rice Krispie. We got candy apples. They're cute.
Oh, look at that.
This one's a chocolate. Check out these window displays. Christmas Carol, cute. Let's see what this one is. They're all the different scenes of the Christmas Carol. Let's see what else. Last one. Oh. Cute. Last look around before we get back on our bus at Magic Kingdom. We're gonna go let the kids swim or do crafts. Although I wish I could come back and see it all lit up tonight. But maybe next time. I think we're going to go to Hollywood Studios tomorrow at night and see Fantasmics.
We're leaving the Magic Kingdom. That's the hotel.
They said the monorail, I mean, we're not going to take the monorail. We weren't going to take the monorail to our resort because it doesn't have a monorail. But they said the monorail is down right now. But the ferries and the buses are up.
You're happy.
So I realized I may have spoiled the kids by taking them on so many Disney cruises, because Ella, all she wants to do now is go back to the hotel and lay by the pool and just relax and eat some pizza. So I do blame myself, and I blame the Disney Cruise Line. Also, I thought the deluxe buses, like when you stay at deluxe resort, they were like up front. We're having to hike it back here to the back for Animal Kingdom. So, I mean, like, there's Coronado Springs up front here. What's over here? I think that was Pop. I thought the rule was that if you paid money for the deluxe, you didn't have to walk as far to the buses. Now watch, next time I'll be staying at Pop, like where I usually stay at, and Pop will be back here in the back, not up front. Greg took the kids down to the pool, so I changed. I'm fixing to head down to join them. I think we're just going to stay in tonight and get a pizza from the Mara, the quick service here, and just enjoy being at a deluxe resort. The lobby's pretty busy right now. Got someone playing drums in the first part. Spotted him. Go across. Pool bar. It does have one TV back there, like most of the bars do. Pool's open 10 to 10. One of the big complaints that people have about the Disney pools not being open earlier in the day. So right behind the pool is flamingos. Okay, now I'm gonna go show you the playground. It's right behind the pool too. Hakuna Matata playground. Okay, so that was on one side behind the pool, was the playground. And then on the other side of the flamingos is another overlook, and I'll show you that. On the way, this is the hot tub area. I'm back at the flamingos. Someone needs to tell me, is this like an albino? Has he not had a proper diet? What's going on with this guy? Look at these ears. I've never seen these before. We are here at the Mara, which is Animal Kingdom Lodge quick service. Got showered.
That's why my hair's a bit dry.
We are waiting for our food. We mobile ordered, and it'll text me when our food's ready. So we're just sitting here waiting. And then we're going to probably go do some crafts, or go to the activity center just for a few minutes for them to do something before we go. Call it a night.
TV right here.
Here in the Mara, they have a little TV that the kids can watch, waiting for their food. He still looks tired.
And we are ordering pizza.
We're going to have pizza. So just got done with dinner, and it tasted as expected.
Yeah,
Like
we had
hotel
pizza for dinner. We had
Really?
pizza for dinner.
Not a fan of this quick service, but when you're hungry, it'll do. The pizza's just not great. Greg's beef was okay, but I mean, it's just definitely not one of my favorite quick service places.
Come on. Okay. Can I check it? I don't know where it is. Here, let's try.
Were y'all making Christmas tree crafts?
Yeah.
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 And Easton's going to get a Switch game, a Nintendo Switch game to play. There's Beauty and the Beast dog.
Christmas tree.
You made a Christmas tree?
Yeah.
How cute. I like it.
I do too.
Yeah. We'll take it home.
Yeah.
Put it up as a decoration.
Put it all on back.
They found Pumbaa earlier.
We
in
got
the
to
gift
put our
shop.
own stickers on.
Yeah, so they showed that they found the little Pumbaa, and so they got another sticker for their pin.
Oh, come on. It was backwards. I put the Christmas tree in backwards. That was round.
I like it though. That was one of the free crafts that they had at the activity center, was your little Christmas tree. And now we are done for the day and headed back to the room, unless we find some sort of shenanigans in the lobby. This is a little kiddie pool. It's really super shallow, so but it's really nice that they have that for toddlers. So you can just chill out and not have to worry. Sit right there and watch them splash and not have to worry. I forgot to show y'all the fire pit area inside that you can sit and lounge around.